Want to improve your Xbox or PS5 online gaming experience with T-Mobile Internet? Enabling UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, is often the key to achieving an Open NAT type. UPnP is a network protocol that allows your console to automatically communicate with your T-Mobile gateway, opening the necessary ports for online gaming. This eliminates the need for manual and complex port forwarding, reducing lag and improving connectivity. Without UPnP, you may experience matchmaking issues or connection failures due to a moderate or strict NAT. Keep in mind that UPnP introduces some security risk. To enable UPnP on your T-Mobile gateway, start by accessing the admin panel through a web browser. The typical address is 192.168.1 or 192.168.0.1, but check your specific gateway model if needed. Once at the login page, enter your admin credentials. The default is usually admin for both username and password, but you can find the correct ones on the sticker attached to your gateway. After logging in, navigate to the Advanced Settings section and locate the UPnP option. Simply toggle it to on or enabled to activate the feature. To apply the changes, restart your T-Mobile gateway first, then restart your Xbox or PS5 console. For the best gaming performance, connect your console directly to the gateway using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Finally, check your console's network settings to confirm that your NAT type is now set to Open for optimal connectivity.